How to create a Trust Wallet account? It's very simple. Go ahead and install Trust Wallet application from Google Play Store or an App Store. And if you tap open to it, you will find interface something like this. So first and foremost, you have to go ahead and tap on this Get Started bubble, which is at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on Create New Wallet. Here, you have two options of backup manually or backup to Google Drive, or you can even skip this part. For this video, let me go ahead and tap on Backup Manually option. Now, here you have to tick mark all of these three options right here mentioned. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on Continue, which is at the bottom of your screen. Then you will be provided with secret phrases of up to 12 words. You have to copy to clipboard and you have to arrange it accordingly, or you have to select the first word of each phrase. Once you do that, you can even go ahead and save your biometric login so that you'll be easily able to log into your Trust Wallet with your fingerprint. Now, that is for the safety and security reasons. After you are done with it, the next step is pretty simple, because after the process is done, you are all set to start your Trust Wallet. Then it will ask you for a couple of permissions. Go ahead and tap on allow or don't allow according to your preference. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.